Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a thrift store haul for you. These are things that I'm going to be using in my junk journals, and it's stuff that I have found over the past couple weeks. I go to some certain thrift stores here in town, and I always find great stuff. So the first thing I wanted to show you, I found this great super old Betty Crocker picture cookbook, and it was $3. But this is an awesome find. It's from 1950, and it just has such great old like illustrations, and I don't know, I just love it. And I have been slowly collecting things for some like cooking, baking kind of junk journals. But yeah, these are awesome. Love this. So that was an amazing find. Also, going with the same theme, I found this Betty Crocker recipe card library. It was $1.50. And it is a complete library of recipe cards from, looks like probably the 1950s as well. No, 1970s. Sorry. I probably should have noticed by the avocado green case there, but these are amazing pieces to put in junk journals. So I thought that was awesome. Let me pull out some other things here. I don't know, I just love the cards with the pictures and everything. I think I had a set of these when I first got married. My mom subscribed to like the monthly kit thing for me. And I'm not sure if I even have them in it. I don't think I have them anymore. But these are certainly older than mine. Mine would have been from the 90s. But I just thought that was an amazing find. And let's see here. I found another Reader's Digest. These make great junk journal covers. And then I found 3 Christmas fabrics that appear to be, you know, olderish. These 2 have 2 yards. Those were $2.50. And then this one was 75 cents. But it had cute snowmen. So those will be great for covers and things like that for my junk journals. I also found this lace here for 45 cents. And then this was a great find. It was 80 cents. And it is called Songdeck's Treasury of World Famous Instrumental Music. And let's see what this year was on here. 1955. So that's awesome. Let's see, move this over. I found some more little golden books. And this place always has, like, they have, the last time I went there, they had somebody that had brought in a whole collection of little golden books. And so I went back to see if they had more, and they did. The only thing I don't like is that they stick the sticker on the front, and it's not very easy to get off. So I'm going to have to kind of finesse it off there so I don't ruin the cover. I found this Scuffy the Tugboat, another Nutcracker, Baby's Christmas, Little Red Riding Hood, a Little Red Caboose, and then Hansel and Gretel. So those are really cute. And then as well there, I picked up 2 more of these Wee Wisdoms. They've been selling them. They're trying to sell them out for, and they were 99 cents a piece. Originally they had them at $1.99 a piece. But these are the cutest. This one is from 1954. And if you don't know what these are, they're like a Christian like monthly magazine that you can get for your kids. And it has stories in it and puzzles and usually whatever has to do with the month, like whatever holiday Has like craft ideas. Just really cute. Coloring pages. So just adorable there, and it has a paper doll in the back. And then this one I picked up for my friend Crystal. I think I picked up one of the same issue before. This one's from 1971. But this, I love this. It's a really good Christmas one. There. And then I found this Christmas Memory Lane. It's an Ideals publication, and my mom used to pick these up when we were little. This was from 1963, but it always just had like really fun stories and like quotes and poems, and just really colorful. So this is awesome. Love this. That. So cute. And then for my farm themed junk journals that I'm doing, I found this package of fabric. And it was $6. So it's probably a little bit more than what I usually spend, but this is a lot of fabric in here, and I love this one. This is why I picked it up. I think if it didn't have this, I probably wouldn't have picked it up, but look at this. Isn't this adorable? It's farm fabric. So cute. I love that. And then here's this red pattern. It's a red polka dot. This looks like chicken heads. Kind of weird, but anyway. And then this I think I could probably use for Christmas. So yeah, that was an awesome find. So go on over to my Etsy shop right now. I have some Halloween junk journals in there. I have a travel themed junk journal, a dog junk journal. I have some tassels in there. They're older from Valentine's, but I have some things on sale, my older things that are on sale. As well, this week I will be putting some new releases of fall junk journals. I will have 3 different styles and 2 available of each style. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.